Hi and welcome to this week's Something for the Weekend. I'm Tony here at Martin Lynch & Sons, and today we're going to be doing the used equipment again. So, starting off with our cabinet of dreams, which I'm going to open for you now. And if we go to the top shelf, we've taken in these lovely pair of Hytera PMR radios which work on DMR, and these come with these very special wireless microphones, all fully complete in the kit, USB chargeable, and you can operate most of the functions from the radio via this handset alone. So we've done those at $199, which is, I know a few of you DMR guys are going to say, oh, that's really cheap, they're £400+. Yes, they are, but you know, we managed to buy them in fairly cheap, so we're going to pass over the offer to yourself now. Right, going down a level, we've also got a Hytera X1P. Now, as I said before, these were £1,000 brand new, so great saving on that. And the good thing with this, if you like to go walking in the dark, is you can actually wear them this way round and they still operate, so it stops the light shining off. Let's put that back in there. And then next to that, we have an Airspy SDR receiver. Now someone's very cleverly put some little feet on the bottom of these as well, so it sits nice and easy, so you can run your coax straight in. So it's at 145. At the back we've got a couple of FT-270 handhelds, so dual band handhelds at £50, and also a RIGBLASTER Plus at £99, and some cables for an LDG, which should be FT450 rather than an IC450. Okay, now we don't get many CW keys in, but when we do, they seem to come in a bundle. So we take one last look down here. We've got these lovely keys here, starting off with the HI-MOUND CW key. Got one here at £99, and then we've got its twin on the other side. Again, £99. And we've also got this nice little World War II key. So we looked online on these, and they're normally around about £90 or so, but this one we're actually going to be doing for £60. Here we go. Let's take that out of there. Beautifully constructed, and there we go. So that's all the details you may need. So if you're a key collector and you haven't got one of these, it is in beautiful condition, as you can see. And you think how old that is. There we go. So let's put that back on there. Right, moving across now onto the main shelves. And we've got Icom IC-718, nice and basic, HF transceiver. Now remember, there's no FM on these transceivers and also no DSP. So it's very, very basic, but a great backup radio, and also great if you want to go maritime, mobile, etc. Okay, moving across, 7200, again along the same sort of lines, very robust radio. This one does have the noise blanking feature and noise reduction, and also you've got passband filters built into that as well. And then we've got the 7300, and I've got a few 7300s in at 925, all in absolutely beautiful condition, great saving from the new models. And if we go up from there, we've got the ELAD FTM Duos. And that's the red limited edition version, which normally retails over £900. And then we've got a couple of the black models to the side. As you can see, these are great. This one here comes with a microphone. It's got a upgraded microphone, so you're ready to go. And the good thing with them is you can run them direct from the PC. So if you really want to sort of dip your toe into the world of SDR, that's a great way of doing it. It's 5 watts output. Obviously you can put them onto an XP125 linear, raise up to about 80 watts or so, and not a problem. Moving across from there, we've got some lovely speakers in. So if you're already running, say, an FT-200, an original one, or you've got an FT-5000 or an FT-1000 and you want to move for a larger speaker, then we've got the lovely SP-2000, which was obviously made for the FT-2000. All the filtering built in here, high and low cuts, and you've got dual input as well that you can put in. And moving across, the SP-8 as well. Now this one does obviously look nice with the 1000 MPs, and again, filtering and low cut filters on there. Okay, if you're looking for a man size radio or a proper big shack base station size radio, I shouldn't really give it a sex, the X-1200. Great radio to start with, absolutely great, and at $849, you know, under £1,000 for one of these radios. They were circa £1,500 when they first came out. Got a nice colour display on here as well. What I will say is with these, it's not a real-time scope. However, we do the FFT1, which will upgrade it to a CW decoder, which you can pop on there, which is good. Next to that, the 3000, which is the next model up. And these were based sort of primarily on the FTDX 5000, so you're getting an enhanced receiver with down conversion on these. HF and 6 meters, 100 watts, goes the same for both of those radios. All right, now if we go across, IC-7600. Now I do love these radios. Icom's predecessor to the 7610, nice full colour screen. They did a firmware upgrade to it, which gave you a waterfall display as well, and just so robust. Never really saw these in the repair shop at all over the last sort of decade. So if you just want a robust radio that does a lot of stuff, 7600 is great for that. Got a classic 870S, and on this one we've just knocked the price down, so it was showing at $899. I believe I've got it at $799 on the website now, so a quick £100 off this weekend as a special deal. Great classic radio. IC-7800 Mark II. You all know about these. Again, I'm open to offers on any of these sort of larger radios. Yes, we are pricing them fairly high, and I know a lot of guys have commented on the price of them, saying, oh, well, you know, I can buy one from Mr. Radio Deals website for less money. Yes, you can. However, you're not getting the warranty that you'd get from ourselves. Obviously, this has been fully checked out by the engineers, and in beautiful condition. You'll find that, you know, most of these radios, most of our customers that buy these high-end radios and they return them back to us after a few years, they've spent a lot of money on these. I mean, this was £5,000–6,000 plus to begin with. It's in beautiful condition. They're not going to abuse it. They look after their kit. So they normally have a separate shack, and it's worth, you know, worth delving into it. And I love it when these big radios come in, because it gives everyone else a chance to own one of these. You know, it's kind of like old classic cars, etc. You always see that car that you wanted back in the 80s. Although saying that now, you probably won't be able to afford a Cosworth. Next to that, 990. This one, as you can see, still looks as new. This one was fully boxed when it came to us, unopened. We did have to open it up just to check it. Obviously, you've not got the 2 years warranty on it because it's a 3-year-old radio. However, we will give 6 months warranty, just so you can be a little bit more assured. But again, at under £5,000, these are now £6,000 plus, so that is an amazing saving. Okay, was going to leave it there. Got one more little surprise for you that's just come in. And if we head over this way, Henry, we've managed to get another one. Due to popular demand, we have searched high and low, and luckily one of our customers came back to us and said, do you know what, I'm going to let someone else enjoy it. We've managed to get another IC-7851. So the last of Icom's flagship radios. Absolutely beautiful radio, circa £9,000 to £10,000 plus. This one will be going up for our usual, which is 7851. So if you are looking for one of these, this one is immaculate, perfect condition. It's been to Icom, it's been serviced at Icom. There's nothing missing from it. It's fully boxed, got all, I think it's 3 layers of boxes with it, and all the accessories that came with it as well. So why not treat yourself? Go on. Anyway, that's it for now. Don't forget, we are still looking for some salespeople and also looking for workshop engineers. So please feel free to give me a call on that. And until then, we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.